In NZ, a man has been arrested after posting a video coughing and sneezing at fellow shoppers at a Christchurch supermarket. The man has been charged with endangering life by criminal nuisance and obstruction of a medical officer of health.
Here's a summary of the article.
In the video, posted to Facebook, the man smiles as he coughs and sneezes on shoppers at Fresh Choice supermarket in Barrington. A police spokesman confirmed on Sunday a 38-year-old man was arrested on Saturday evening. A police spokesman earlier called the behavior abhorrent, even without a pandemic. A spokeswoman for the supermarket said they would cooperate with authorities in any way needed. The spokeswoman said the store had been thoroughly cleaned since the incident, over and above the already heightened precautionary sanitization and cleaning regimes already in place. We would strongly discourage any customers from doing anything like this in any supermarket. The man in the video is seen wearing a Graham Hill roofing jacket.
This post received a score of 48,968, with an upvote ratio of 95%. Here are the top comments in response to this article.
Greater than the person in the video has since apologized and indicated it was a drunken prank. He doesn't look drunk. Just incredibly dumb.
He was at level 2 of our 4-level drunk cunt alert system.
You guys need a bigger spectrum. Up here in Canada it goes from chipmunk to Canada Goose.
I don't think I've ever been Canada Goose drunk. That must be when you're a mean hissy drunk after too much dark grain alcohol like say whiskey or rye, right?
That's the only time it's even happened to me. It nearly killed me, the North Rememberers, something sometimes.
And being called an idiot by the PM. The harshest punishment of all.
And she, charitably, described him as an idiot. I'd just like to know what she actually thinks of him.
She's 39 and from Hamilton. I'd say her use of charitable was an understatement for how nice she was being. I'd love to see her do a one-woman Kiwi version of the video where those Italian mayors lose their shit over people breaking isolation rules. She's been so upbeat about it all, but I'm sure she's probably pretty frustrated at some of it. She had a moment last week where she got quite serious. It was the one where she told off people between 20 to 29. She lost her smile and everything for a good minute.
What a world we live in right now. People in their 20s are universally getting scolded for being irresponsible adults. Like all the later generations are having to be an angry parent. Really shows the shared connection we share as a species moving through life.
I mean, there are people from all generations being irresponsible right now. Stupidity doesn't discriminate.
It's amazing that he thought people would find this hilarious. He videos himself and puts it on Facebook for likes.
He has numerous videos on his Facebook account just wearing underwear and ranting to the camera about coronavirus, girls he wants to get with and the cheap alcohol he drinks.
Sounds like he's part of the YMH Cool Guy Club.
Guitar 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 high voltage high voltage.
So many YMH references on Reddit these days.
And our PM called him an idiot on TV. Some fame. She charitably described him as an idiot. I like that little twist.
Moose.
A bus driver recently posted a video complaining about a woman who was coughing on his bus without covering her mouth. He started feeling sick a few days later and was dead in 2 weeks. This isn't a joke. That's so sad. We don't know for sure that woman had it and passed to him, but regardless, I hope she is seriously fucking ashamed of herself. TBH, pandemic or not, cover your fucking mouth and nose when your bodily fluids are leaking from them. Basic shit. Nobody wants your germs even if it's just a simple cold. Why are people so openly selfish?
This video was automatically created by Reddit to speech. The article and comments in this video were selected from Reddit according to their upvotes, and any paraphrasing was performed by smmry.com, without any human intervention.